Most websites collect information from their users, whether it is through contact forms, newsletter subscriptions, or online sales. Especially if online transactions happen on your site, the last thing you want is to have your customer's credit card or other personal information stolen. This is where SSL certificate comes into play. Today we will discuss what is SSL and why it is important. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layers, which provides the extra security on your website. You see something called website is safe, right? Now why do you see that? When do you see that? I will explain everything in this video. So video ko end tak zarur dekhna. I hope you must have seen that padlock next to URL on many websites. Have you ever wondered what that indicates? It indicates SSL certificate is successfully activated on that website. I'll show you practically. You see this SSL certificate, status is active, which means this site is successfully installed SSL certificate. You see that padlock, right? I'm referring to that padlock. Now one pro tip for you guys, any website which starts with HTTPS, it is secure to access. That S stand for secure. Want to build more trust and credibility for your business? You can do that with SSL certificate. If you need any help in activating SSL certificate on your website, you can comment SSL and I will help you with complete checklist. But usse pehle account ko follow zarur kar lena. Thank you.